Welcome friends. Once again we use the general quadrature formula to derive the Weddell's rule. We in this video we see how to find the Weddell's rule and what is the Weddell's rule. In trapezoidal rule we have put n is equal, we have substituted n is equal to 1. In Simpson's 1/3 rule we have substituted n is equal to 2. In Simpson's 3/8 rule we have substituted n is equal to 3 and neglected all other term, all the higher derivatives than third. Now in this Weddell's rule we put n is equal to 6 and neglect all the higher derivatives than 6. So I put n equal to 6 and neglect all higher derivatives than 6. So let us neglect that by substitution. Here the integration of y between the limit x0 to x0 plus 6h equal to h into 6y0 plus, then we get here 18 delta y0 plus 27 delta square y0 plus 24 delta cube y0 plus 123 divided by 10 delta raised to 4 y0 plus 33 divided by 10 delta raised to 5 y0 plus 41 divided by 140 into delta raised to 6 y0. So here in the last three terms we have denominator 10 and one terms containing in the denominator 140. So therefore in this the sixth term, in this last 6 terms we replace these terms by 3 divided by 10 delta raised to 6. This is the one adjustment we have made to derive this formula. In the last wherever in all other formulas there is a no adjustment, but in this rule we have to made small substitution or small adjustment and all other derivatives greater than 6 are neglected. 24 delta cube y0 plus 123 divided by 10 delta raised to 4 plus 33 divided by 10 delta raised to 5 plus 3 divided by 10 delta raised to 6y0. So friend, we have just taken the approximate value, that is 3 divided by 10. Now take this 3 divided by 10 as a common term. So 3h divided by 10. When we take the 3 divided by 10 as a LCM, then we get here 6. From this 6 we have taken 3 common, so 2 we get 2, but we have to multiply it by 10. Then we get 20 divided 20 into y 20 into y0 plus 20 into y0 plus 60 into delta y0 plus we have here 90 into delta square y0 plus 80 into delta cube y0 plus 41 into delta raised to 4 y0 plus 11 into delta raised to 5 y0 plus delta raised to 6 y0. Now apply the coefficient to see the coefficient of this this y0, y1, y2 in this expansion of this delta raised to 6. This is very simple. You can see that 3h divided by 10 into 20y0 plus 60 into delta y0 means y1 minus y0 plus 90 into delta square y2 minus 2y1 plus y0 square term expansion of these two, and look at the coefficient 1 minus 2 and 1 0 plus 80 into delta cube y0, that is y3 minus 3y1 plus 3y2 minus 3y2 plus 3y1 and minus y0 1 3 3 and 1. So, if we apply the Pascal's rule, we will get easily the coefficient and the sign will should be in alternate way. So, 80 into 41 into delta raised to 4. So, in the Pascal's rules, this delta raised to 4 coefficients are y, the first term is y4 minus 4 into y3 plus 6 into y2 minus 4 into y1 plus y0 plus 11 into delta raised to 5 y5 minus 5 into y4 plus 10 into y3 minus 10 into y2 plus 5 into y1 minus y0 plus y6 delta raised to 6, that is y6 minus 6 into y5 plus 15 into y4 minus 20 into y3 plus 15 into y2 minus 6 into y1 plus y0. Now, see the coefficients of every terms y0, y1, y2 like this. If we write the coefficient and then this will be 3h divided by 10 into, see the coefficient of y0, 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 y0 everywhere. So, we have 20, 20 minus 60, then plus 90, then minus 80, then plus 41, minus 11 and plus 1. This is y0, all the coefficient, all the multiples of y0. Then multiples of y1 are, multiples of y1 are 60 minus 180, 60 minus 180 plus 240 minus 164 plus 55 minus 6 into y1 plus 90 minus 240 plus 246 minus 110 plus 15 into y2 plus 80 minus 164 plus 110 minus 20 into y3 plus the next y4, 41 minus 55 plus 15 into y4 plus 11 minus 6 into y5 plus y6. Okay. Then if we calculate all these values, 3h divided by 10 into this will be, simply we get y0 plus 5 into y1 plus y2 plus 6 into y3 plus y4 plus 5 into y5 plus y6. So, this is the integration x0 to x0 plus 6h of y. Similarly, if we integrate this x from x0 plus 6h to x0 plus 12h, this will be 3h divided by 10. Whenever there is a x0 terms, we and the starting term will be y6 plus 5 times multiple the next y7 plus y8 plus 6 time multiples of y9 plus y10 plus 5 times multiple of y11 plus y12. So, let us suppose that n is multiple of 6, multiple of 6. So, whenever n is multiple of 6, we get the x0 plus n minus 6h to x0 plus nh of y into dx. This will be 3h divided by 10 into y n minus 6 plus 5 into y n minus 5 plus y n minus 4 plus 6 into y n minus 3 plus y n minus 2 plus 5 y n minus 1 plus y n. Okay, so in this manner we get the integration. Now add all these terms, adding all these integrations. So if we add all these integrations and we get the integration, then integration x0 to x0 plus nh of y into dx, and this will be 3h divided by 10 as a common, and we have y0 plus 5 into y1 plus y2 plus 6 into y3 plus 5 into y5 plus 2 into y6 plus 5 into y7 plus y8 plus like this. So, we get the multiple of these terms, multiple of the 6. There will be plus like this, plus twice y12 term plus, and last terms will be yn, and this is known as Weddle's rule. Weddle's rule, WDLES, Weddle's rule. This is known as Weddle's rule. So, friend, in this manner we can derive the Weddle's rule. Thank you, friend.